KZN communities urged to help victims of last night's storm, and new charges of fraud and corruption laid against John Block. With the news this hour, I'm Ayanda Gunene. KwaZulu-Natal Premier Zweli Mkhize has called for donations to help communities affected by a devastating storm last night. Heavy rains and strong winds destroyed more than 4,000 houses and left 2 people dead at Bilanyoni, north of the province. Mkhize says the provincial cabinet will visit the area tomorrow.
We've sent in a team on disaster management to assist them with shelter, clothing and some food. But we also want to be touring the place tomorrow morning with a team of ministers. And in that process, we hope to assess what the extent of damage and therefore work together with them to give them additional support. We're calling upon communities, non-governmental organizations, business people to make donations so that we can work together to try and alleviate the suffering in this particular area.
New charges of fraud and corruption have been laid against Northern Cape ANC chairperson and Finance MEC John Block. Block and 4 other accused appeared in the Kimberley Magistrate's court today on fraud and corruption charges. The charges relate to the purchase of a 2.7 million rand water purification plant by the Solplaike municipality at Kimberley from the firm in Dhaka. Uruguayan businessman Gaston Savoy has been granted bail of 15,000 rand, and the other 4 accused, including Block, 3,000 rands each. The case has been postponed to the 2nd of February next year. NPA spokesperson Mthunzi Mhanga.
We are satisfied that those that have appeared so far are the ones that are implicated by the evidence that has been presented by the police to us. But we can't rule out a possibility of more arrests and more charges.
Mhanga's rejected suggestions that the NPA is carrying out a witch hunt against Block.
There's a growing suicidal tendency of people arguing legal matters from an emotional, uninformed and political perspective, which is very dangerous. But you may have seen in the past that there are 2 convictions in respect of the KZN leg of the investigation and the Northern Cape leg of the investigation, which clearly shows you that these deals from the onset, they were never legitimate.
Northwest Health MEC Mahome Masike has found an AWB flag where the state flag is supposed to be poised at the Venterstop Hospital. This after he made an unannounced visit to the institution. Venterstop was the home of late AWB leader Eugene Terblanche and has long been seen as a stronghold of the right-wing group. The shocked MEC has handed the matter over to the police for further investigation. He's also called an urgent meeting with the Venterstop Hospital management to discuss the issue.